Hi guys, Yan Sikorski here again. Today I will share with you my top 7 ideas for the next trading session. But first of all, let's see how worked my previous idea, what I gave you yesterday. Let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, I recommended you long euro dollar. As you can see, price hit our first target. Our first target was around 1.090 and the second target was around 1.095. Price hit first target and then price hit the second target here. Pound USD. In the Pound USD, I said if price hold above 1.2190, it will be entry point for the long, and your first target will be 1.2240. As you can see, in this case, price also hit the first target. Canadian dollar, I said if price hold below 1.3940, it will be good entry points for the short, and your first target should be around 1.39. As you can see, price hit the first target in this case. And Aussie USD, I said if price hold above 0.6560, it will be entry points for the long, and the first target in this case 1.66. As you can see, price hit the first target. Gold, I said in gold if price hold above 1735, it will be long. If price hold below 1730, it will be short. As you can see, price right now tries to hold below. That's why you can short this instrument. And the first target will be around 1715. Oil, I recommended you short oil yesterday, but unfortunately this idea is not work because oil still going up today. S&P 500, I said I'm pretty bullish in S&P 500, and I recommended you if price hold above 2975, it will be entry points, and your first target should be around 3000 in S&P 500. As you can see, price hit our first target. Well, right now let's move on to today's ideas. As usual, let's start with euro dollar. In euro dollar, I expect for the price get a bounce from this place. I'm in level 1.09697, and then after that pullback, I expect pullback until 1.093, 92, and then I expect for the price going up again until 1.10. I'm still bullish in euro dollar today. The same idea in pound USD. I'm also pretty bullish in pound, but in this case I expect some sort of pullback from this area. I mean level 1.2320. I will expect pullback until 1.2270, and then I expect the price form reversal model here and going up again and break this level and going until 1.2340. Another idea in Canadian dollar. It all depends on how price will react for this important level. I mean 1.30 if price going up from fractal here, it will be entry points for the short. The first target will be around 1.3860, and another scenario if price going up again, hold above this level. 1.3910. It will be a good entry points for the long. Your first target will be around 1.3960. Aussie USD, the same situation like pound, like euro, because US dollar pretty weak right now. That's why I expect the price going up until 0.6650, formed reversal pattern. In this level, if price formed reversal pattern this level, it will be my entry points for the short. My first target in this case will be 0.66. Gold. Now, gold looks pretty bearish right now. Price tries to hold below 1730. That's why this is good entry points. And the first target will be around 1715. Oil. Now, I'm pretty bearish in oil right now because price stay in important resistance level around 35, 36 dollar per contract. As you can see here, this is important resistance level. That's why if we go in to the lower time frame, like in this case H1 time frame, you can see how price try to get a bounce from this important resistance level. That's why I expect the price falling down until $32 per contract. In S&P 500, I'm still bullish in S&P 500. But anyway, in terms of this up movement, I expect some sort of pullback. I expect the price from pullback until 2980, and then from this place I will be try to find out entry points for the long, and my first target will be around 30.20 in S&P 500. Well, that's all for today, guys. I think this idea will be useful for you, and I think these ideas will be help to make money on the next trading session. See you in the next video. Bye.